channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to write perfect ChatGPT prompts for productivity. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're planning to write effective ChatGPT prompts for productivity, you need to focus on providing clear instructions, context, and specific details. You need to define your goal, specify the desired output format and length, and give the AI a role or persona to guide its response. So you can simply start with a context, like start with just imagine. So you are a bird. Now, I'm writing this text as I'm giving ChatGPT a persona or a character. Now, you need to set the context. Now, what you want. Example, you want, so you can simply write this prompt. Now, you can insert a main question or like the goal. Once you've defined your goal in it, you can be very specific and detailed. You need to give it a clear instruction and then hit the plus like send button. After you question this, you can get a perfect answer according to your question. So it is now imagining its persona as its main character and giving you some ideas how you can solve this problem. So this way you can have or you can write perfect ChatGPT prompts for productivity. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.